Hello. Listen, I have a question. You know how messed up the economy is and how expensive things are these days, right? Well, I know where you can go to eat and where there's a nice selection of food. And of course, where the prices won't break your pocket, brothers, nor break your pocketbook, sisters. And that place is Frankie's. You may wonder, is there parking? The answer is yes, lots of parking. And if a person doesn't have a car, the bus runs right there. I always get the bacon cheeseburger deluxe, and the soda is refillable. You don't get ketchup and mustard packets because they have the ketchup and mustard dispensers right there under the TV screen, which is always on, in case you want to watch the news or whatever they have on at the time. And in the words from Billy, the owner himself,
my name is Billy. I want to let you know, come to Frankie's, try their seafood, hot dog, burgers. They're made fresh, never frozen, and we have good service, good price. That's pretty much it.
don't forget, when you come in and visit Frankie's of West Haven, 1151 Boston Post Road, West Haven, Connecticut, 06516, say I saw the commercial and you will get a cup of free soda from the soda fountain with your order. This is only happening at Frankie's of West Haven.